What's up, YouTube? Cali fam. We are out here today fixing this broken turn signal that I broke trying to do a wheelie. We are going to be replacing that. As you guys can see, I broke this and the turning signal. I mounted this thing back up because it was just dangling and I was trying to ride. We still got to replace this and the bars, but for now I have straightened them out and they are working somewhat okay. But let's get onto it. We went on eBay, bought some turn signals and a flasher. You are gonna need that. I spent less than 20 bucks. It was like 19 and some change. The flashers were $12.99 and the relay was like like $5.99 or $6.99. I still haven't opened them. I don't know which is which, but these are the tools you're gonna need: a 5mm Allen wrench, 8mm socket, and a Phillips screwdriver for this project. Let me go ahead and open these packages up. I only have one hand free, so let me pause you guys. So we're back. This is a tiny box. Like this has to be the flashers, and this has to be the relay. Tiniest box. So we're gonna try to open this up real quick and see it. So the flasher relay that I purchased is adjustable, meaning I can adjust the speed. As you guys can see, that little thing right there, I can dictate it whether it goes fast or slow. I adjust it. I don't know which way is fast and which way is slow, but we'll figure it out once we have it installed. As for the flush mount flashes, there's 10 signals. Let's check them out. This is a tiny ass box. Oh, there goes our relay. Oh, okay. Still not that big. Alright, so we're gonna mount this up. So these are our flashers. So it's 2 flashers. I guess they just go on with double-sided tape. So these are the flashers and they just go on with double-sided tape. I don't know how that's gonna work, but let's see. We're gonna start off by removing all 4 of these. It has 2 on each side. So, one on the bottom, one on the top. Same for this side. One on the bottom, one on the top, one on the bottom, one on the top, whatever you wanna say. That's what you do. So we just remove this one and this one. Okay, so we have now removed the 4 screws, 2 from that side and 2 from this side. So now, from what I have seen and been told, we're supposed to pull this off, but mine is broken, so I think it's probably easier as it just freaking breaks off into. You're just supposed to like tuck it from the back. Yep, and that falls right off. Alright, so look, for you guys of you that just watching my video for the flasher, this is the flasher you gotta replace. Okay, so I'm gonna disconnect everything and then let me show you guys what you guys have to disconnect. So it looks like it's this plug that's running right here to this bigger one. So let's uncover this thing so we can all see what it is. So it's just one big plug, and let's see. Do you push up? So it just pretty much clips. And then I'm gonna remove this, but I'm scratching the shit out of my fucking tire hugger, so I'm gonna come back once I removed it. So I have removed that other plug that goes in there to the headlight, and we're left with this. Mine is broken, so I'm gonna be using zip ties to repair that piece. But now we are gonna go inside my house and take this apart. So I'm inside my house, and as you guys can see, this thing is pretty broken, pretty bad. So we are gonna do a zip tie technique to repair this, and we're gonna be changing out these big old fucking flasher indicators, turn signals, whatever they're called. So now what we have to do is remove that 8mm and that little plastic tab. There we go, we remove those. Those are pretty simple. And just pop out the little middle piece out, and simple as that. And the 8mm that goes there. And then I'm going to leave these two. Oh, since this one's broken, this one just fell to the side. And then I believe this one just wiggle it out and comes out. So that was pretty basic to remove these. This one has like a little clip and it rotates forward and back. And you just gotta pop it out, and then it has like a grommet, like a rubber grommet that holds it in place. Just pop it off, just kind of wiggle it to the side because it has that little metal clip. It pops right off. You can just set it on the side, and then you have your whole headlight piece. Which I'm not gonna be doing anything to that, but just replacing that. Alright, YouTube, so I stitched this shit back up. And then with the cutouts, I just melted them down. The cut pieces of the zip ties, melted it down and just fucking glued it. I'm gonna show you guys how to install it. Literally, you just peel this fucking tape off. I'll get some alcohol and clean this shit off real quick. It's just double-sided tape. It's a plug-and-play plug. These were $12.99 on eBay. Basically, just grab it, align it to where you want it, and push it down. Simple as that. Then just connect it to your original plug and play. This is what it's looking like afterwards. I mean, it just comes with double-sided tape and you pass the wire through. So, that's pretty much it. Okay, and then to put it back, you just repeat the process. You push it into the little rubber grommet. Lock that pin. Pass your wire, connect it. If you order the right ones, they're just plug and play. Now to remove this, it's just like a rubber grommet. Pull it out. So this is what my finished product is looking like. New turn signals. Let's flip it around. That's the new relay, and it's adjustable, so we'll be able to adjust the speed on the flasher. Let's go try it out. Yeah, we fixed it. We stitched it up. It's officially a stunt bike with them stitches. You know, we added them turn signals with that rapid flash. So that's the final product. That's how the final outcome. Yeah. Not bad. I like it.